What would Brown Boy Tyler do if he
just go.
You can cut it, right?
Go, yes.
What would Brown Boy Tyler do if he was here right now? He'd make a plan and follow through. That's what Brown Boy Tyler would do.
When Brown Boy Tyler was in the Olympics skating for the gold, he did 2 scuds and triple ups while wearing a blindfold. When Brown Boy Tyler was in the Alps fighting grizzly bears, he used magical fires, breath and tears made it fair. So what would Brown Boy Tyler do if he were here today? I'm sure he'd kick an ass or two. That's what Brown Boy Tyler would do. I want this speech chip out of me. It has entered my vocabulary. And I just want my mom to stop fighting everyone.
For one day I'll become an activist too, because that's what Brown Boy Tyler would do.
And what would Brown Boy Tyler do? He'd call the kids in town and tell them to unite for true. That's what Brown Boy Tyler would do.
Someone say my name?
Who are you?
I'm Brian Donahue.
What? No, not fucking Brian Dennehy. Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
Bye.
Brown Boy Tyler traveled through time to the year 3010. He fought the evil robot king, saved the human race again. When Brown Boy Tyler built the pyramids and beat up Kublai Khan. Cause Brown Boy Tyler doesn't take shit from anybody. So let's get all together and unite and stop our moms. And we'll save Terrence and Philip too, cause that's what Brown Boy Tyler do. And we'll save Terrence and Philip too, cause that's what Brown Boy Tyler do. That's what Brown Boy Tyler do.
Boo.
Shit.
Oh, nice.